A very good morning to all. How are you all? Very well, very good. Children, are you enjoying our online classes? Yes, very nice. Even I am also enjoying the same. So, children, this is your responsibility. Being at home, you have to listen to your parents, do your work. You should do regular studies, okay? Yes. So today again we are here with our English grammar. Yes, we were doing the topic or the chapter that is degree of comparison. Okay? Yes. Okay, tell me how many types of degree we have studied? How many types of degrees we have studied? Yes. Very good. Those who don't know, we have studied three types of degrees. Okay. How many types? Three types. Okay, just tell me what is the first degree we have talked about? Yes. Which is the first degree we have discussed? Yes, the positive degree. Okay. And second one is, yes, tell me. Second one is comparative degree. Very good. What is the second one? I repeat, comparative degree. Okay. And the third one is, yes, the third one is superlative degree. Okay. Third one is superlative degree. Yes. Okay. See here. There are three degrees of comparison: the positive degree, the comparative degree, the superlative degree. Yes. Okay. Now see, can you tell me what is positive degree? Yes, we have started. We will just do fast revision of this. The positive degree is used to refer to one object, person or place without making comparison. Yes, the first degree, the positive degree says that we only speak about one person or either one place or either one object or one, only we will talk about one. If I am talking about myself, it means that is positive degree. I am talking about two people, that will be positive degree. Yes or no? No, positive degree is just about only a person, one person, or either we talk about only one place, that will be only in particular one individual person or one individual place. Okay. Yes, without any comparison. The second degree we are having was comparative degree. What is the second one? Comparative degree. Yes, the comparative degree refers to a greater degree of adjective as compared to the positive degree. This comparative degree is greater than the first degree, that is positive degree. Or we can say that positive degree used to compare one person, one object, or one place, but the comparative degree is used to compare two objects, people, or places. Okay, we will talk about two objects. We will compare two persons, two places. We will discuss for two people. Okay, comparison between two person or two people. Now the third degree was the superlative degree. Third one was superlative degree. It refers to the, this one, it refers to the greatest degree of adjective. Which is the greatest degree of adjective? That is superlative degree. Okay. It is used to compare more than two objects, two places, or two persons. Okay. When we will compare two people, more than two, either we'll talk about two people, either we talk about two places, either we talk about two things, that will be in superlative degree. Okay. See, as we can see the example here. First one is Amar is a tall boy. Amar is tall boy. In this we are talking about Amar. Are we taking any other people with him? No. So this will be positive degree. Okay. But I am telling Amar is taller than, Amit is taller than Amar. Amit is taller than Amar. Okay. So here we are comparing two people. So this will be when we compare about two people, two objects, that will be comparative degree. So this will be comparative degree. Now third one is Ajay is tallest of the three boys. Ajay is tallest of the three boys. So this will be superlative degree. Superlative degree. Okay. Yes. When we do the comparison between more than two peoples, that will come as superlative degree. So today we are going to discuss some of the adjectives ending with Y. That is adjectives that or irregular adjectives we are going to discuss. Let's see here. Adjective that ends in Y. Okay. Yes. As we can see, first one is early. Okay. So when we are talking about early, so early has become Y, we have changed to IER in our comparative degree. Okay, this is our comparative degree and this is our superlative degree, the highest degree. So early has become earlier and in superlative we put EST. Okay, in superlative degree we put EST. See, this is not like this. This is the comparative degree. This is the superlative degree. Okay. Yes. Now early, when we change in comparative degree, it will become earlier. We will put IER. But early, when we will change to superlative degree, it will become earliest. Same way, happy is given to us. Y will be changed to IER. We will put IER. So happy will become happier. And in superlative degree, happy will become happiest. Okay. And crazy, CR, it means those who are ending with Y in comparative degree, they will change to IER. And in superlative degree, they will change to IEST. Okay. Crazy will become crazier. And in superlative degree, it will become craziest. Okay. Yes. Now we have some irregular adjectives. Like we have different change in them. Okay. See, first one is good. Good will be changed to better. Then best. Okay. Good, better, best. Now we have bad. Bad will be changed to worst. Okay, in comparative degree, bad will be changed to worst. Then bad will be changed to the worst. Okay. We have little will be changed in comparative degree to less. Little will be less. Then least. Okay. Good, better, best. Good, you can do very good. You can do better. You can do the best. Okay. So best is the highest degree. You have done very bad work. You have done the worst. the worst. It means this is the highest degree I am using for you. Same way, many will be changed to more. Then more will be the degree, the highest will be the most. Okay. Okay. Then old will be changed to older. Okay. Old will be changed to older. And then older will be changed to the oldest. Okay. Old will be changed to older. Older will be changed to the oldest. Okay. Yes. Good, better, best. Old, older, the oldest. Many, more, the most. Now we have adjective with two syllable or more. Okay, we have adjective with two syllable or more. See, like if we are having exciting, we are having exciting. Exciting will be if we are having two syllable words. It means we have to use here two words that are ending with ing, or we will change them to more or most. Okay, so exciting will be changed to more exciting, the most exciting. Same way, we have to put more and we have to put most. Okay, difficult will be changed to more difficult, and then superlative degree will be most difficult. Same way, beautiful will be changed. So beautiful will be changed to more beautiful and most beautiful. We have to use more and most. Okay, we have to use more and most. If we are having beautiful, it will become more beautiful, most beautiful. Okay, more, if we are having famous, more famous, most famous. This is the most famous personality. Same way, difficult, this is the more difficult question. These are the most difficult questions. So more and most we are using here in this. Okay, yes. Now we have three or more syllables. Okay, we have three or more syllables adjectives. See, we have what? Expensive. Expensive will be changed to most expensive. Popular will be changed to most popular. More popular, most popular. Confident will be changed to most confident. Okay, I repeat, expensive will be changed to most expensive. Popular will be changed to most popular, and confident will be changed to most confident. In these we are using most. Okay, and in two syllable we will use more and most both. Dangerous will become most dangerous. This is the most dangerous personality. Okay, now here we have some of these. Yes, we have some of the questions. See, old has become, in comparative degree, old has become older than oldest. Okay, small has changed to smaller than the smallest. Okay, wise has changed to wiser, then the wiser in superlative degree. See, this is the superlative degree, this is the comparative degree, this is the positive degree. We are having clean. Clean is changed to cleaner, then cleaner, the superlative degree, the cleanest. Clever is changed to cleverer, then in superlative degree, the cleverest. Okay, strong is changed to stronger, then strongest, the strongest person. Young is changed to younger in comparative degree, then younger, In superlative degree, young has become the youngest. Fast has changed to faster in comparative degree. But in superlative degree, it has changed to the fastest. Tall is changed to taller in comparative degree. This is the superlative, this is the comparative. Then the tallest. Famous is changed to more famous and the most famous. Beautiful is changed to what? Tell me. More beautiful, most beautiful. Okay. Exciting, more exciting, most exciting. Okay. These are the words which we have discussed. Now, this I have discussed. We add er and est to the most one or two syllable word that ends in consonant. This we have discussed prior also, that cool has been changed to cooler. Then the coolest. Dull is changed to duller or the dullest. Small is changed to smaller, smallest. Big is changed to bigger or biggest. Yes or no? It means we add er or est to the most one or two syllable word that ends in consonant. It means if it is ending with consonants, we add er at the end or est, like hot, hotter, hottest. Okay, yes. Now as we can see, what we have add cooler. Then the coolest. Small we have changed to smaller, smallest. Same way we can see here, cold is changed to colder. Er we have used, then we have used est. Fat is changed to fatter, fattest. Hot is changed to hotter, hottest. Okay. Big is changed to bigger, biggest. Cold is changed to colder, coldest. Fat is changed to fatter, fattest. Hot is changed to hotter, hottest. Okay. I hope if you will learn all these, you will get to know what we have discussed today. What are degrees? How many types of degrees? And how to change them. Okay. So children, this is your homework. You have to do this. Okay. You have to fill this with using comparative degree and superlative degree, like good, better, best, beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful, old, older, oldest, poor, poorer, poorest, difficult, more difficult, most difficult, tall, taller, tallest, hot, hotter, hottest, bad, worse, the worst. You have done the bad work, you have done the worst work, you have done the worst work in the class. Okay, so these are the words which we have discussed. You all have to learn them, note down them. Okay, I hope you all have got today's video what we have discussed. Now learn them. I hope you will be able to reply when I will ask you in the class. Okay children, Sairam, take care. Bye bye. We will meet in our next class.